Hello, my name is Frank. Today I'm going to show and tell you the difference between the pro version of Dropbox Backup and the free version of Dropbox Backup. Alright, I'll do this step by step. Now, first of all, this is my web page. So as you can see, informations about me on this page have been blurred. Alright, so now I'll move my cursor to the top part of my page where the username is at. So this is where my username is at, and I'll click on dashboard. Then it's going to take me to a new page. Now I have the pro version of Dropbox Backup already installed amongst my plugins, so I would use this to show you the difference between the pro version and the free version. So I would show you the added features in the pro version which are not in the free version. Okay, now I would move my cursor to where the icon for the pro version is. So this is where the pro version of Dropbox Backup is. This is the icon for it, and then I'll move to the right and click on Dropbox Full Backup Pro. Click on this, and it's going to take me to this page. So on this page I have two boxes. The first one is not of any concern, but this one is what is of my interest. So I would, now we have the first box here has the free sign up, and then the second box has the settings, and beneath it is the button show. So now I'll click on this button show. Click on this and it's going to bring up this menu. Now here on this menu we have the scheduler. Now you can see it's off, and the free version you can't change this, but in the pro version you can change it. As you can see, off, on. Now off, now you can on it. So now you can do some changes right here. You can tick to make a Dropbox backup, or you can tick to make or to select a local backup. Just to remind you, a local backup is backups saved in your web server, while the Dropbox backup are backups saved in your Dropbox account. So these are the types of backups here, so you can choose either of which, and then you could also, and then you can set up the intervals for the backup. Now you could make it daily, or you could make it weekly, or you could make it monthly. So whichever one is of best interest to you, you just set it up. Now this will be helpful or very good for those who have a very busy website. Website, you always, do changes. You always make changes on this website. So it will be very good for people who have a very, very active website. So each time you make a change after the day's activities or the day's work, it just backs your files up, so that even if there was a problem, you could always restore the website back to the current state. So daily will be very good for people who have a very active website, and weekly it depends on your activities on your site, and monthly depends on also your activities on the site. So I'll recommend these for those who have active activities on their website. So now the next is the time. You can set the time, whichever period you like your update to start up at, maybe at the end of the working days or whenever you like. And then this part of the settings here, the backups to retain locally. So if you choose 2, now how it's going to be like, you'll just have 2 backups saved in your account. Now one will be the most recent backup, and then the other one will be the latest backup you just did. So you will have 2 backups in your account. It could be your Dropbox account or your web server account, your web server. So if you choose 2, it will be just 2 backups in your Dropbox account. Or you could decide to change it if you like. You can make it 5, you can make it 6. Well, this is just for those who like to free up space in their web server or in their Dropbox account. Well, after you've done all this, you'd click on this button to save changes you've made in this box. Then you move down here. Another thing you should know about this Pro software or this Pro plugin is that you can check for update. You can check for update, and you should know that you have 1 year period for free updates. So each time you come up, or each time you're using it, you can always check for updates. You click on this button and it will bring up a link to get updates. The link will be around here, or it could be up here. So if there are updates, you just click and then it's going to bring up the link for you to download or install the updates. So I'll advise you to get a Pro version so you could you could save your backups in a good way that will be efficient for your business. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our video. It's very important. Thank you. Have a great day.